Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Sellfy account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sell an ebook on your Sellfy account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sell an ebook on Sellfy anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing content like me, you know that sometimes your audience asks for more information, so it's an opportunity to sell an ebook that's more in-depth. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Sellfy dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I already logged into my Sellfy, and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, in order for this process to work, you had to have already connected your payment processor. So that could be PayPal or Stripe. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. You also need your ebook. So it can be in a PDF format if you wish. So first off, what you're going to do is here on the left side, you're going to click on products. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu, and you want to click here on add new product. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these few options, but you want to click on the green one called digital product. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and upload your ebook to Sellfy by clicking on this blue button. Okay, quick second later, the ebook is uploaded right here. So you can have multiple ebooks in this one product that you're selling, but that's up to you. They do let you know it can be up to 50 files and up to a maximum of 10 gigabytes. Also over here on the right, you can see by default, it's going to be visible on your store page. So if somebody's just cruising around your Sellfy store page and looking at your products, they're going to be able to see this one. If you want to turn it off, that way only somebody with the direct link that you share with them is going to be able to see it. You can go ahead and uncheck that. Next, you want to scroll down and choose the name of your product. This is going to be customer facing. So let's go ahead and write ebook from Anthony. Okay, next you're going to see the link right here, the URL slug. You can go ahead and change that if you wish to do so. For me, that one looks good. Here you want to go ahead and write the product description. So this is going to be your sales page for your ebook on Sellfy. So you want to make it compelling. You can also add images here if you want. You can add other links if you need to. So here is my best description of this ebook. Okay, once you're done, go ahead and scroll down, and then you can go ahead and give it a product category. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and put this in a category of ebooks. So I'm going to click on add new. This is the name of the categories, ebooks, and save. Okay, next you want to go ahead and scroll down and give the product preview. So if this is an ebook, you definitely want to put together a good image. It kind of gives an idea of what this ebook is about. So I'm going to add an image right here. Okay, I just grabbed an image, and it's going to pop up right here. And we're going to scroll down, and we're going to give the ebook a price. So I work in US dollars, and let's go ahead and price this one at $300. Okay, if this is some sort of a donation ebook, you can go ahead and choose this, and that way your customers can choose how much they want to pay. For me, I've never actually used that, so let me turn that off. And then here on the ebook stock, so if you want to make it a limited edition, you can go ahead and uncheck this, and let's say that maybe only 100 of these ebooks are available. And then if there's any variants, you can go ahead and add the variant. So maybe it's going to be a black ebook cover, a white ebook cover. You can go ahead and add those here. And then we scroll down, this is the SEO settings. So this is not required, but sometimes your Sellfy products are going to show up on Google. So if that's the case, you can add a title tag, meta description, so it gives it a better chance to show up on Google, which in turn could be free traffic for you. So once you're done, you want to go ahead and scroll to the top and then click on save product. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see we just created an ebook on our Sellfy store. So now you need to get the link to share with your customers. So the first and easiest way is you can click here on these three dots to the right. Once you do that, you're going to click on share. Once you click on share, here is the ebook purchase link. Okay, now it's copied to my clipboard. And another way that you can get that ebook purchase link is you can click into the ebook. Once you do that, off to the right, you're going to see this eyeball and these three dots. Click on the three dots. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down, and you want to click on share. And same thing, we can copy the link. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sell an ebook on Sellfy, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.